Welcome to CTube. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about different types of bank charges collected by banks from its customers. Friends, if you are a student of Chartered Accountancy, CWA, CS, Banking and Finance in MBA, then this video is going to help you to improve your general knowledge definitely. So let's get started. In this video I categorize different charges into mainly three categories. First is all charges related to loan bank accounts, and second is all charges related to your saving and current bank accounts, and third is charges charged by a bank for providing other services like locker rent, bank guarantees, BG and LCs. So let's get started. Let's first discuss all charges related to loan accounts, and which first is processing charges. Friends, a person seeking a loan whenever makes an application to the bank, then bank will first assess that person and scrutinize their credit worthiness of a borrower by generating their civil reports, by appraisal of their income tax returns. Then bank will grant loan after considering all these factors. And this is not a one day process. This requires lots of time. That's why bank will charge you certain percentage of loan amount as a processing charges. Next is documentation charges. Processing and loan requires huge documentation like filling of large application forms, signing of large legal and banking documents. These documents are provided by bank and collected from customer in the form of documentation charges. Next is mortgage charges. This charges is charged by bank for creating mortgage on assets. Whenever a bank grant loan to its customer, it creates mortgage on certain assets like house, plot or any other assets. So in case of default by the customer, amount will be recovered by bank from selling such mortgage property. So for creating such mortgage, bank will charge mortgage charges. Next is inspection charges. This charge is generally collected in cash credit accounts, in which bank official will physically inspect the stock maintained by the borrower against which such loan is taken, and bank official will satisfy themselves about the adequacy of stock against such loan is taken, whether adequate margins are maintained or not. So these charges will be collected on frequency of quarterly, monthly or yearly as per different banks. Next is renewal or review charges. This will be collected in a cash credit account after sanction of loan account every year. There might be changes in the creditworthiness of a borrower throughout the year, so bank will consider the creditworthiness of a borrower every year or decide whether there is change in term and condition by scrutinizing their overall performance in the account and charge renewal charges. It is nothing but it is a processing charges on yearly basis. Next is commitment charges, which is generally collected from cash credit accounts. Let's take an example to understand these charges. Suppose bank has sanctioned you amount of rupees 300 lakhs, and out of these 300 lakhs you are utilizing only 100 lakhs, and you are not utilizing 200 lakhs out of these 300 lakhs. So you are clearly making misrepresentation to the bank that your requirement is 300 lakhs and you are utilizing 100 lakhs, which is your outstanding balance. So you are clearly not paying interest on 200 lakhs, which is interest loss to the bank on the amount of rupees 200 lakhs. For this, bank will penalize you and charge in form of commitment charges for not utilizing your cash credit account fully. Let us discuss another category, which is saving and current account charges. Let's first discuss cash handling charges. Suppose you own a business in which you generally receive cash amount from your customers, which are generally in low denomination like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, and 100 rupees, $1, etc. So you go to bank to deposit these amounts, and due to small denomination, this require huge time to the bank official to count and deposit in your account. For this, they will charge you cash handling charges. Let us discuss some another charges which you already knows, like ATM passbook and checkbook issue charges, like RTGS and NEFT charges for transferring fund, minimum balance charges for not holding minimum balance in your account, ledger folio charges for maintaining your account statement, and stop payment charges for stopping any issued check. Let us discuss another category which is other service charges. First, locker rent. Putting your valuable item at your home is riskier. So many bank has locker facilities where you can put your valuable items and take advantage of bank security in a consideration of certain amount, which is called locker rent. So let us discuss some another charges for other services of bank, like bill discounting charges, commission on bank guarantees, commission of issue and realization of letter of credits, issue of no due certificates. Like, if you really found this video knowledgeful, share with your friends and family. Subscribe our channel if you are a student of chartered accountancy, banking, MBA finance, because I am going to share this type of knowledgeable video with you, which is going to enhance your professional excellence every week. And finally, thanks for watching.